Hello everyone. Today I am here to share with you very important information, that is ending meeting for all on phone after taking class on MS Teams. Generally we are not able to end class for all on phone, so we don't get attendance, and sometimes it is very problematic and we don't get attendance for 1 day or 2 days. So here today I will tell you how we can end meeting for all on phone when we have taken class on MS Teams. For this, let me come to my phone screen, and suppose you have taken class. So after taking class, you have to go to Chrome. We have to go to Chrome. And on Chrome, nowadays, we are taking attendance down on Chrome. It is already open here. So, but I will start open my class which I have recently taken. That is this is 7th English, that I will click. So I have taken a class there, but if you can see here, it might be happening with you all. Ki class is still going on, although I have left it long before, and still meeting started is written here, and join option is written here. If you can see at the blue strip here, join. It means class is already going on, still going on, and we will not get the attendance. So how can we end it? So for this, we have to join this class again. And after joining, maybe my voice is not recorded because live class will start. So I explain you what you have to do first, then you will see me in the picture. I will click here join at the join option. Then again there will be one option join now. There I will click, and when I will be in meeting, immediately there will be a strip there with a red button, the button which we use for leaving the class. Beside that button, there will be left side mein, there will be three dots. Be very alert and click on those three dots. If it disappears on the screen, that strip with red button goes fast. So if you are not able to click on three dots in between, then you again click on the screen, and those that strip, that options will appear again, and you click on three dots. Now I join the meeting, and I will click on three dots, and then I will get second last option, that is end meeting, and I will click there. Then one more option will appear, end for all. Then I will end as we do on laptop, and meeting will end for all. So now I am going to join. Here join now option is there, join now. I will join now. It is taking a bit time. Yeah, it is this three dots. I am joining three dots. Click, and here you end meeting. Now here end is, but actually this class is not being left now only, it is being ended for all. And you see this class here, they show last class, my last class 42 minutes 32 seconds, it is being shown here, but still attendance is not there. But you see meeting has ended now. Now it has ended. So what we have to do, then again we have to click left side Teams option. Here Teams option is there in left side, and we get all these classes here. And here I will click on again 7th English, and you see I go down, and you see here arrow. I have got attendance of my class. So it is a big help. If we could do that, I click here, I get download option, and I get open option. I am opening it. and it can be a big help for you or for we all who are facing problem when we are taking attendance on phone. Here you see date is given. This meeting, special meeting I conducted for activity, that is 8 to 8, 2nd August, and it is 11:56 I started and 12:38 it is ending. So here share option is there, share attachment workbook form पे जा करके I can send it to the teacher concerned. I can easily send it using WhatsApp. So here I select the teacher and that this one, and I send it. Gone. Meeting attendance has gone. So in this way you can do very smartly, very easily. Immediately you can take attendance from MS Teams going on Chrome. You can take that. Thank you friends. I think it will help you. So you like my video, share it with as many people as you can. All should get help. Whatever we know, all should get help from that. That is, and also write a comment for my encouragement. Thank you friends.